Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can make your website or your online shop look a little bit more busy. So even if you have a brand new online store and nothing really is going on your website and you don't have that much customers, I want to show you how you can make your shop look a little bit more busy. So in today's video I want to show you how you can add a plugin to display some fake sales, and when somebody come to your online shop, then he sees that there are sales on your online shop and that customers are on your online shop and buy stuff from you. So in today's video I want to show you how you can display these little pop-ups here. Wait until a new pop-up is displayed. I installed it on almost all of my stores. Here you can see some of these pop-ups. So it's a Mark from San Diego has just purchased this and this. Yeah, and I think it's really good to give a little bit confident in your online store when you are running ads to your store. So yeah, it doesn't look so lonely and there's stuff going on your store. So let's head over to my new store, and the plugin we want to install is this plugin, Salert. Is it called? I also put the plugin in the description and the link to the plugin in the video description down below, so you can check it out and copy the name. And yeah, just go to plugins here and add new, and then in the plugin search bar here type in Salert, and then this plugin will pop up or came here, and then click on install now. And this plugin is also compatible with the newest WordPress version. So for some reason I always get this error here, and I don't know what it is, but this plugin has already downloaded for me. So I don't know. Maybe for you, if you installed it, then you have to click the button activate. But in my case, I have to go to installed plugins and activate it on this page. So let's go down, there it is, and I can click on activate, and the plugin is now activated, and we get on the left side, we get a new line here, Salert. Click on it and there it is. So click here on enable. If this is not checked for you, you can click here and enable the plugin. You can set the pop-up starting time. So if somebody visits your website and then after the first 5 seconds, the plugin will pop up, and the plugin or the pop-up will stay for 8 seconds. This is okay. The pop-up interval is 10 to 20, so every 10 to 20 seconds a new pop-up will come on the screen, and here you can set the position of the plugin if you want to have it on the left bottom or the right bottom and or on the top. You can set it here. And this is for the animation and how the image should look like. So in my case, I put it to circle, or you can put it to square. It doesn't really matter. And also this plugin has a feature, has a premium version. So, but you can stick with the free version here. I think it's good. Then let's go to the design settings. Here you can choose your background color. This is okay, and the border color you can set here, and I think you can somewhere configure the shadow. But I think it looks okay. Then we go to the typography settings. So I think black on the blue background doesn't look that good. So maybe we can make it white. Okay, perfect. Now it's a little bit more visible. Font size is 15. It's okay. You can exclude pages or include pages. Okay, now the settings here are complete. Let's click on Save Settings. Now the settings are saved. Then we can go to the Display Settings tab, and here we can add some names. I have now John, Eli, Tim, Paul, Mark, Ali, and Peter. It's okay, you can add as many names as you want. So the plugin combines the names with the cities randomly and the products as well. So it's not always the same. You can put in here everything you want, and maybe add a few more cities here. Right now I have New York and Alaska, so you can comma and for example Las Vegas. Okay, now we have 3 cities. You can add as much cities as you want. So this is okay. This is okay as well. How the plugin will display the timing, hours, minutes, and seconds ago. It's okay. Leave it. And here you can add some products. So simply click on add a product, and here you can, let's go to the store and choose a product. I don't know which one. Okay, let's take this product for example. I click on it and I copy the little bit of the product title, copy it, paste it here, and this is the image link. So we have to go here, right click and copy the image address and paste the image address here, and here we can paste a link to the product. So we copy the whole link and paste it here. Okay, then it's ready, and you can add as many products as you want. So the plugin combines the names with the cities and a sample product. Okay, this is all good. Then we click on Save Settings. Okay, now the plugin is ready. We have everything set up, and let's go here and let's click on Refresh. And let's wait a second. And there it is. You can see it has Ali from New York, and here's the product, and it's clickable, and everything is good. Yeah, so that's it for the video. I think this plugin is really good. It gives a little bit interaction on your new store, and yeah, I think this plugin is really good. It's free, and yeah, that's it for the video. If you like the video, then please give me a thumbs up, and please also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I upload WordPress and WooCommerce videos every week, and yeah, make sure you don't miss any videos. And yeah, that's it for now. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Bye.